Hi guys, welcome to my new workout series. This series consists of 6 different videos. In each video I go through a workout for each muscle group of that certain video. And this first video is going to be legs, so let's get straight into the video. So the first exercise is going to be explosive lunges. The explosive lunges are also really good to be done with a weight vest like this. I think this was around 15 kilos. And again, this next exercise falls into the warm-up category, I think, and it's the sumo walk. Let me show you. This. Burns the quads pretty nicely, but let's move on to the real exercises such as pistol squats. So next up we got pistol squats and also got a few variants to them, but let's just start off with the regular pistol squats first. So next I've got this fun, challenging pistol squat. This is more of a balance workout, but still very fun to do. So the idea is to do a pistol squat on top of a narrow object like this and try to balance yourself. So that's a fun variation to do with pistol squats, a bit of a balance challenge. So yeah, next up got the one leg squats. I'm personally a fan of these, and I prefer pistol squats over this, but this is still a very good exercise. Next exercise is a really nice quad burner. In this exercise you just lean back like this. I have a few angles right there, camera and here. So from here I like to keep my hands like this, and from here just lean back. Next up, got the legendary Bulgarian split squat.